It's cold. Really cold.
I've been a real bad boy on the town all night. Starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in bed.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to NTLP. My name is Nick, and this is the place to be for everything landscape photography. Oh, it's getting cold out there. Really, really cold. This week, we're under a very, very cold snap. So I thought this would be a fantastic time to give you my 5 tips. My 5 tips to survive winter landscape photography. Oh boy. So before we jump to the video, if you're new here, just jump down there, hit that little red button that says subscribe. Just do that. Yeah. We have tons of fun around here. While you're down there, hit that like, share, and bell notification. It'll let you know when I upload my next video. Also, follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. Links are in the description below. All right, 5 tips for winter landscape photography. Let's go. Tip number 1, just like in the intro that you saw, dress warm and dress in layers. When you first start in the morning, it's going to be super cold, but as soon as that sun rises, absolutely, it's going to warm up, right? So dress in layers, like a t-shirt, a shirt, and then a hoodie, and then maybe a parka. And then once it starts warming up, if you get too hot, just start peeling back layers, kind of like an onion.
Ogres have layers. Onions have layers. You get it. We both have layers.
Oh, you both have layers. Oh. You know, not everybody like onions.
Yeah. All right. Tip number 2 to survive winter landscape photography. Keep your batteries. Yeah. Okay. First things first. So check your parka. Does it have a inside of your jacket, like inside of your jacket pocket? Put all your batteries in there. Batteries tend not to do so well in cold temperatures. Keep those additional batteries charged up and inside your jacket pocket to keep them warm. Your body heat will keep your batteries warm, and then once the battery in your camera starts to lose its power, take it out, swap it out for a fresh warm battery that your body's been keeping warm all this time, and you can continue shooting. All right, number 3 is pre-plan your shoot. Use the photographer's ephemeris, use Google Earth, use whatever resource on the web or an app to plan your shoot. If you're like me and you don't like the cold, you want to get in and get out as soon as possible. So scout out the location, make sure that there's parking close by, arrive there maybe 20 minutes, half hour early, get your shot, and then hurry back to your warm car. Tip number 4 is to bring hand warmers, like those hot paws or whatever. You just take them out of the bag or whatever and just shake them, put them inside your pocket. Tip number 5, once you're done your landscape shoot outside in the cold winter and you're packing everything up, make sure that your camera is warming up gradually, not like, don't put your camera on the heat vent in your car to warm it up super quick. You're gonna introduce some condensation and let it warm up gradually. So what I like to do is I'll have my camera out, like I'll pack everything away into my camera bag, and then I'll bring a Ziploc bag and I'll put my camera in the Ziploc bag and seal it up with the cold air. And then I'll just kind of gradually let it warm up. An extreme temperature swing from cold to warm, you're going to introduce a bunch of condensation within your camera and your internals. They won't like that. So gradually. warm your camera up. So guys, these are my five tips for winter landscape photography to survive it. All right, guys, if you did get anything from this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Absolutely, just tap it. Yeah, right there. While you're down there, hit that like, share, and bell notification. It'll let you know when I upload my next video. Just every Sunday and Wednesday. Also, follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff, including my website. Links are in the description below. All right, guys, stay warm out there, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.